Questions have been raised over the effectiveness of the centre's Prime Minister Internship Scheme after fresh data placed before Parliament showed that only a small percentage of internship offers have translated into completed internships. The issue was flagged by Rajya Sabha member Mansoor Ali Khan, who sought details of the scheme in Parliament. In its reply, the centre said that 3,730 internships had been completed as of July 15, 2026, despite 82,077 internship offers being made under the pilot phase of Round 1. It added that Rounds 2 and 3 are still in progress. The government's own assessment attributed the low participation to several practical challenges. It found that the original 12-month internship period was longer than similar skilling programs. Many internship locations were beyond the preferred 5 to 10 kilometer commuting distance, and several candidates were not interested in the roles allotted to them. Following the review, the centre said it has redesigned the scheme. Internship duration has been reduced to 6 or 9 months. The monthly stipend has been increased from 5,000 to 9,000 rupees. Eligibility norms have been relaxed, and more organizations have been allowed to participate. Reacting to the findings, Mansoor Ali Khan said the data reflected a larger challenge facing India's youth. He argued that while improving the internship scheme was a positive step, young people were ultimately looking for stable employment rather than temporary work experience. He said the real test of the program would be whether it helped participants secure long-term careers. He also stressed that flagship government schemes should be regularly evaluated and modified based on feedback from the ground so that they remain aligned with the aspirations of India's youth.